Bedroom. Design Colors Trends 2025. "2025 is fast approaching, and if you're thinking about refreshing your bedroom, the hottest color trends are the perfect way to start. Bedroom design is no longer just about choosing a few pieces of furniture and calling it a day. It's about creating a serene, personalized space where you can escape the chaos of the outside world. This year, designers are taking bold steps in redefining how we use color in the bedroom, embracing hues that evoke emotion, tranquility, and even a sense of adventure. Whether you're a minimalist at heart or someone who loves a splash of vibrancy, the color trends for 2025 have something for everyone. Get ready to transform your sanctuary into a masterpiece of style and comfort. In this video, we're diving deep into the top color trends for bedrooms in 2025, giving you insight into how these tones can shape your environment, your mood, and your overall bedroom experience. So let's explore the hues that will be defining the year ahead. Serenity with soft neutrals. Soft, warm neutrals continue to dominate the bedroom color palette in 2025. Think shades of sand, cream, and warm beige, which instantly add an air of calmness and sophistication. These hues are perfect for anyone looking to create a tranquil, cozy environment that soothes the senses after a long day. In particular, shades like creamy taupe and soft dove gray bring a sense of elegance while still being incredibly versatile. The beauty of neutral tones is that they pair effortlessly with almost any accent color, allowing you to experiment with bolder decor elements or keep things minimal and sleek. If you're a fan of the modern minimalist aesthetic, soft neutrals are your go-to. They give your bedroom a clean, uncluttered feel, making it easier for you to relax and unwind. You can even layer various shades of the same neutral tone to create depth without overwhelming the space. Nature-inspired greens. Green is having its moment in 2025, and it's all about being connected to nature. Shades like olive, sage, and eucalyptus are perfect for those looking to bring a fresh, organic vibe into their bedrooms. These colors offer a sense of grounding and renewal, making them perfect for creating a peaceful retreat. Soft greens also work wonderfully in creating a serene, spa-like atmosphere, perfect for winding down after a busy day. What makes green so special this year is its versatility. It can be paired with both natural wood accents for a rustic feel or sleek metallic finishes for a more modern, chic look. Plus, it has the ability to transition beautifully from season to season, making it a great long-term investment for your bedroom decor. Earthy terracottas and rusts. If you're looking to add some warmth and personality to your bedroom, 2025 is embracing earthy tones such as terracotta, rust, and deep copper. These colors have a way of making any space feel instantly cozy, yet rich and vibrant. Earthy hues not only bring warmth but also offer a perfect contrast when paired with neutrals or greens, creating a balanced and inviting atmosphere. Terracotta and rust are particularly great for those who want their bedrooms to feel both modern and inviting. They add a bohemian flair while still being grounded enough to blend into various design styles. These rich, warm tones are perfect for accent walls or even as bold choices for bedding and throw pillows. Bold blues for a dramatic touch. While neutrals and earth tones dominate, 2025 also sees a resurgence of bold blues for those who want to make a statement. Shades like deep navy, royal blue, and sapphire bring an air of mystery and luxury to the bedroom. These bold blues are perfect for those who aren't afraid to take risks with color, but still want a space that feels sophisticated and calming. Using blue in the bedroom can create a strong visual impact while still being relaxing. It's the ideal color for anyone who wants a bedroom that feels both bold and peaceful at the same time. Try pairing deep blues with gold accents or rich wood tones to create a luxurious atmosphere that's perfect for unwinding. If you've made it this far into the video and love these bedroom color trends for 2025, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, give this video a like and drop a comment below sharing which trend you're most excited to try in your bedroom. Your feedback helps us bring you more of the design inspiration you love. Muted mustards and ochre for a vibrant twist. If you're looking for something a bit more adventurous, muted mustard and ochre tones are trending in 2025. These colors are a fantastic way to inject energy into your bedroom while still maintaining a sense of warmth and coziness. Muted mustards offer a beautiful, slightly vintage vibe that works well in mid-century modern spaces or even as a pop of color in a more minimalist room. Ochre, with its rich, earthy undertones, works beautifully with natural textures like linen, wool, and wood. This is a bold choice, but one that instantly adds personality to any bedroom. Try incorporating these tones through accent walls, bedspreads, or even bold curtains to liven up your space. Pastel dreams for soft sophistication. Pastel hues are making a comeback in 2025, but with a twist. We're seeing a rise in dusty pastels like muted pinks, lilacs, and soft baby blues, creating a dreamy, romantic vibe in the bedroom. These soft colors offer a refreshing and elegant look, especially when layered together. Think of pastel bedding paired with light curtains and delicate decor pieces that evoke softness and serenity. This trend is perfect for anyone looking to create a bedroom that feels like a gentle escape. The subtlety of pastels makes them ideal for creating a feminine and sophisticated atmosphere that's still relaxed and welcoming. With the bedroom design color trends of 2025, there's truly something for everyone. Whether you're drawn to calming neutrals, bold blues, or warm terracottas, the key is to create a space that reflects your personal style and makes you feel at home. Your bedroom should be your sanctuary, a place where you can unwind and recharge, and the right color palette plays a huge role in that. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top bedroom color trends for 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which trend you'll be incorporating into your own space. Your dream bedroom is just a color choice away.